that he was stood in a little bit of sunshine. But if he'd just gone round the corner and up onto the north coast of Cornwall, well, there he would have been in quite a lot of cloud and a wee bit of drizzle as well. And that really sums up the picture across the British Isles just at the moment. Just a few miles can make an awful lot of difference. You'll see there down towards the southwest, it's predominantly cloudy. Come a little bit further up the coast, it is drier and finer, quite a big hole in the cloud there. But looking away towards the northwest, thicker, more glowering cloud beginning to work its way into the northwest, and there's some rain associated with that, all tied in with these fronts. And they're just slipping around the northern flank of this big area of high pressure. And that area of high pressure is going to be very much the dominant feature across many parts of the British Isles over the next few days. And around about that area of high pressure, the winds are circulating just like this, a long sea track, picking up moisture all the while, and that's generating the cloud that's going to affect many of us over the next few days. Certainly for this afternoon, the cloud at its thickest across parts of Scotland. A threat of rain here really across Scotland, Northern Ireland, bits and pieces of Wales, and as I say, down into the southwest. But you've seen how patchy it is. And there are 1 or 2 showers to be had along the eastern coast as well. But in between, some dry and fine weather. And if you keep the sunshine, well, there you could have 14 degrees. But along the east coast, for example, you'll be struggling to make double figures. Now tonight, that cloud will generally seep away from Scotland, getting down into central and southern parts of England eventually. Before it gets there, I think the skies may be clear long enough to get the temperatures down to around about 4 or 5, but elsewhere, I suspect we're going to stay frost-free. All that cloud will make a fairly dull old start to the weekend, with bits and pieces of rain across central and eastern areas. That will take a time to die away. Come the afternoon, something slightly brighter, but you'll notice not a great deal of sunshine to be had. And again, if you do get the sunshine, 15 degrees. If you don't, you could be closer to 9 or 10. So for Aintree, it could be a cloudy afternoon, but essentially dry, 14 degrees there. And then as we get on into a great sporting weekend, the best of the sunshine, and there will be some around, will always be found towards the favoured spots in the west. 16 degrees or so there. Aintree, dry pretty much from now until Saturday. And then as we move on towards the weekend, of course, we're going to see Rugby as well at Twickenham, dry there, I would have thought. And for Sunday, plenty of sunshine and 16 degrees over in the west. Anna?